Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best roller skates that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Riedel R3 roller skates. On price, style, build and sheer performance, the R3 from Roller Skates Gurus, Riedel is an easy shoe-in for our best choice. One of the most popular quad roller skates on the market, it's clear to see why the R3 is the boot to go to for roller derby as well all general styles of indoor roller skating. The R3 skate features a comfortable vinyl boot with a durable Powerdyne thrust plate, toe stop, ABEC5 bearings, and quality radar Cayman wheels, with a built-in speed groove. In short, the R3 is the boot to get you powering around the rink with ease. Be sure to also check out our list of the best inline skates for more great items like this. Moving on at number 4, we have the Chicago Men's Rink roller skates. If you want to glide indoor or out in super style, knowing your new boots have not cost you mega rolling bucks, then the Chicago's the quad skates for you. These rink roller skates for men may be our best value candidate, but you get a lot of great performing skate for your dollar. In a classic design, with high ankle support and adjustable closures for a comfortable fit, the Chicago is great for all-round rink skating, with smooth rolling wheels that can also cope with outdoor terrain. Great value, and great fun. You may also like some of these awesome longboards from our list, so check them out. At number 3, we have the SureGrip Rock GT50 roller skates. The GT50 are super starter roller skates for men that'll get you out on the rink and rolling like a demon. A tad wider than most other derby roller skates, these bad boys not only provide speed but a super comfy ride. The ABEC5 rated indoor wheels are smooth enough to give you the speed and glide you need, and its aluminum plate is the stable base when the derby game is on. Add in a non-marking, adjustable toe stop, secure lacing, and comfort padding and you have great indoor quad skates that'll keep you happily rolling. Our handy guide to the best adult scooters features more great products like this. At number 2, we have the VNLA Stealth Jam roller skates. If jam skating is your thing, or you want to rock some jam skate cool, then the mean and moody looking VNLA Stealth are the quad roller skates for you. These are awesome adult roller skates that will speed you through those tricks and dance moves, all for just shy of $200. The wheels are 62mm black stealth spinners, with an ABEC9 rating for quick turns and power blasts. For the stability and strength you need for jam skating, you can rest easy with the nylon plate and aluminum truck, while the small point jam plugs will have you stopping and spinning on a dime. Change the wheels and you can even take your jam outside. And finally at number 1, we have the Black Pacer Mach 5 GTX 500 roller skates. If comfort is at the top of your best roller skates shopping list, then you can't go wrong with this good-looking boot from Pacer. With its impressive moniker, the Mach 5 GTX 500 quad skates have been built to keep your feet sweet, whatever your indoor roller skating action. Internal padding, easy lacing, and a cinch strap keep your feet happy and secure as you blast and twist around the rink. These are great quad roller boots if you are just starting out as a speed skater or derby roller and will keep you skating well beyond.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.